In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can start your own AI business. When it comes to starting your own AI business, it's actually really not that hard. One of the main things that you do is you use ChatGPT to do all of the hard work for you. Back then, you had to learn how to make descriptions. Back then, you had to know how to copyright. Back then, you had to know how to write DMs and emails. But now you make ChatGPT do all the work for you, okay? So you might be asking, in this video, what are we going to learn? Well, in this video, we're going to learn what an AI business is, can it make you money, and how do you start, okay? It's as simple as that. The first thing is, what is an AI automation agency? An AI automation agency is pretty much you use AI, like AI chatbots, AI, anything related to AI tools to make yourself and other people money. So pretty much you're using AI, like I said, chatbots, you can use AI tools, you can use AI prompts, you can use AI pictures, AI, whatever it is, anything AI related to pretty much make yourself and other people money. Okay. And so the thing is, the AI is doing all of the hard work for you. AI is putting in all of the hours for you. AI is doing all of the things that require a degree, require certifications, require a certificate. AI is doing all of it for you. All you do is set it up once, and then AI does the rest for you. That's where the automation comes in. Okay. You might be asking yourself, okay, it sounds amazing. If AI is going to do all my work, if AI is going to do all the things, and I just have to set up, okay, how do I get started? No problem. The first step to getting started is as simple as this. You have to pick a good niche. You can create different type of chatbots. And like I said, in this video, in this presentation, the example we're going to use is AI chatbots. But when it comes to creating AI chatbots, there are multiple things that you can do. Number one is pretty much there are retail chatbots, marketing chatbots, real estate chatbots, restaurants, booking, customer service, e-commerce, lead generation, social media, surveys, and etc. But depending on the type of niche that you're going towards, you can create a chatbot related to that niche. And you don't want to create a lead generation a chatbot for a company that has nothing to do with lead generation, or you don't want to create a real estate chatbot for a company that has nothing to do with real estate. So picking the right niche is actually really important, because if not, you just be wasting a lot of your time. And the whole point is to have it automated and to save time and to be efficient. If you're trying to get started today, if you're trying to get started soon, the 5 websites that you're going to need are these, okay? The first things first that you're going to need is ChatGPT or OpenAI.com. This pretty much helps you not only, saves you a lot of time, it helps you be more productive, but ChatGPT can do all of the work for you. It could generate, titles, it could generate the descriptions that you put into templates, it could generate a business name, it could generate a mission statement, it could generate, the DM that you sent to clients, it could generate a business plan, whatever it is that you need, the AI can generate it for you. So you pretty much use this to help you get started and to help you get organized. It can even break down a step-by-step process of how you should launch it and what step you have to do first and what step you have to do last, okay? The next thing you're going to use is voice flow. Voice flow is pretty much where you create the chatbot. The chatbot is pretty much something that you create once, and then you just pretty much make it smarter. Once you create the chatbot and you have all of the instructions that go into it, so it does all of the things, like if somebody comes and clicks this, then do this, or if somebody asks this question, then answer it by saying this. You pretty much create your chatbot in VoiceFlow, and you make it smarter using VoiceFlow. So after you use ChatGPT to pretty much set everything up and you know how it's going to work, you use VoiceFlow to actually create that chatbot that you want to create. Okay. After you create a chatbot, you have to be able to, save and sell that chatbot to people. And so the next thing you do is you create a Google Docs and you save the code, the chatbot code, into that Google Doc. And the reason why you do this is because, one, Google Docs is free. So if you have a Google account, it's something that you can access. And two, you can share it to whoever you want. And at the end of the day, as long as nobody's going to be able to hack into your Google account and just like steal your chatbot code. So the only way they can access it is if you give them access. And one of the main ways you give them access is by doing this one, which is getting Gumroad. Gumroad pretty much lets you set up a payroll. You can have a Google Doc that has your code, and people can only access that doc if they pay money. And so Gumroad will set up a paywall to where they have to pay money before they can see that doc. So you can upload that Google Doc into Gumroad and charge people for that link. So when you send that link out in a DM, when you send that link out in a message or an ad, people are going to have to pay before they get access to your product, which is the chatbot. And so once you set this all up, you have the chatbot and you have a way that people can pay. So pretty much you have the thing that's making you money, and you have a way for people to pay you money. You pretty much start promoting it on places like Instagram. I chose Instagram because Instagram is one of the easiest ones that you can use. Apps like Bardeen. Bardeen pretty much lets you um, automate a task, meaning if you create an Excel template of Instagram accounts that you want to follow and a message that you want to send, that thing will spend all day and all night clicking through all those Instagram pages and sending all the DMs. So it's one of those things where instead of you individually sending each cold call email or cold call DM, the computer will literally do all the work for you. So each day you potentially